This question's a little bit confusing at first once you start realizing that the graph is not negative 15t plus 10, but rather that's an asymptote. But what we have to remember is that v of t is the derivative of s, and any derivative is slope of the tangent line to that curve, right? So here v of t would equal the slope of the tangent to s of t. And to get an idea of what this looks like, if we graph this using each of these boxes as 5s, right, it would be going through here at, this would be 10, right, and then it would go down 15, let's see, we go down to this point here, which would be so you'd have this kind of asymptote looking line, right? And it doesn't mean it follows that right away, but it eventually goes along that as an asymptote, and so you can kind of see the person's let's see. So it would actually start like this, right? Because you would start at the point 0, 0, and then basically reach that point. And it actually makes sense because if you were going to jump out of a plane, you would finally reach a terminal velocity, right? And basically what you're getting to the point is like your velocity starts out pretty slowly, right? But at the end, right, so when you're along your asymptote, you basically share the same slope as this line of negative 15t plus 10, right? And so your terminal velocity would be negative 15 feet per second, to keep in touch with their units, right? And that's because of down here, right? Like eventually your s of t line would be along the dashed line, right? And then they would share the same slopes.